Hey guys, in today's video, let's talk about how to get your SVG thumbnails to show up correctly in Windows Explorer so that you can get a preview of the file instead of just that little Inkscape emblem. So what we're going to do is we're going to just open up a Google browser. We're going to just search for Windows Power Toys, Microsoft Power Toys, and just install this. Now, once that is installed, just restart your computer and your thumbnails will show up like this, so you can see them. Now, if you get some that do not show up correctly, I'll show you how to fix that. So just open one of those files that do not show up correctly and go up here to File and then go to Save As and come over here and pull this down and select Save as Optimized SVG. Keep the file name the same. Just hit Save. OK, replace the file because it's going to say it's overwriting one. And then this window is going to pop up and say, hey, you made a mistake. Just click close this window without saving. And boom, it shows up. Let's do it again. File, Save As, Optimized SVG, Save, click OK. Yes, it's okay to overwrite this file. Close this window. Close without saving. Boom. Works every time. One more time. File, Save As, Optimized SVG, Save, yes, it's okay to overwrite this file. Close this window without saving. Boom. And you can just go through and fix every one of your thumbnails like this. Super annoying when you can't. Super annoying to me when you can't see what you're working with on the previews. Drives me freaking crazy. But anyway, I hope that was helpful to you. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you know another way to do it that's a better way and faster way, please leave it in the comments, man, because that crap drives me crazy. You guys have a good day. See you later.